Alright, let's get wavy.
Personligen, om jag vet sidan i video, 3 sidan i video, kusat kan man full per kan man full. Kan man rabutek, Chainsawman episoditet, falin diamnese episod me Josh nuk ka dal për arsye se kisha harruar me postuar dhe tani e mushi videon prej editorit më thon edhe do të thonë nuk u dal edhe më thon shumë çfarë mënyrën. Sot diçka shumë të madhe, ka qenë vetëm pak një luftë që më thënë
Where's my key? Now we're in business. Upsie daisy. Where's my key? Now we're in business. Upsie daisy. Damn. But hey, what are you gonna do? What's that?
I need some water.
That's weird. Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy. Might be here because I brought you. I'm not sure.
The room's spinning. What the hell's going on?
Sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you?
I'm so dizzy.
You could do a million times better than that selfish bitch. Open your eyes. Maki too. Give up and stop fawning over her. Move on. Moo like cows. Wanna do it?
What?
Stick 'em up. That's right. Good boy.
Should I be doing this? I was supposed to have my first kiss with Miss Makima. But this chick blew chunks all over that. Do I really want my first time to be with her too? Huh? Yes!
There we go. Your pants. Let's get 'em off, okay? There we go. Your pants. Let's get 'em off, okay? Huh? You got something in your pocket. A Chupa Chups lollipop. And it's dirty. Denji. Denji. Hello? Are you okay? Would you like to get some fresh air? I got your nausea medicine from the supermarket. Wash it down with a glass of water before bed.
Tonight, I probably had the shittiest first kiss ever. So even if I kiss a bunch of girls from here on out, will they all taste like vomit?
Open your mouth. I doubt you'll ever forget how that vomit tasted. Don't worry, though. Life comes in a wide variety of flavors. With each passing day, you'll experience different ones. And every new experience will make it that much harder to recall that cue. For example, you just had your first indirect kiss, and it tastes like cola-flavored Chupa Chups.
Ojita, listen. You probably wanted to do that, but I'm sorry. I want Miss Makima to be my first. So sex is gonna have to wait till I kill the gun bellow.
Good morning, Denji. You hungry? 'Cause I am.
Looking down on people while you eat makes grub taste a million times better.
Okay, so I drank my weight in alcohol last night, and now I'm blanking on everything. Did I happen to take advantage of you?
Think I'd do it with Gagzilla? I'm saving my first time for Miss Makima.
Oh, thank God, that's a relief. My ass would be in jail for doing that with a minor, super quick.
You give up my ass will be in jail for doing that with minor. Neyse de ben diğer draftımı diğer kim ayırırsan ha.
You are strange personified. Most guys would have bailed out on a situation as awkward as this one.
Why? A stranger to leave and turn down a free breakfast.
So, you're serious about getting with Miss Makima?
Yes.
What if you learned her true character is as shitty as a septic tank?
I love shit.
Cool. Then I'll act as your matchmaker and help hook you guys up.
Yeah?
Totally. Why not? In fact, let's form a secret alliance, you and I. I'll work my wingwoman magic on you and Makima, and you help me lock down Aki.
What do you like about him anyway?
He's hot.
Well... Sure, you're on. Let's alliance up.
Glad to have you aboard, fellow matchmaker. From this point on, we're colleagues and friends, too. Come have breakfast once in a while. And bring your roommates with you.
Do you think Miss Makima would join us?
How long do we have before we arrive in Kyoto?
30 minutes.
I'll eat at the station then.
Don't forget you have a 1 o'clock luncheon.
I'll just have to make sure I leave a little bit of room in time. I can't think of anything worse than meeting with the Kyoto bigwigs. They're so intimidating. Refreshments are hardly refreshing when you can't relax. But last night's drinks, those were great.
What the hell? Unexpected. Second complete, huh? Hey, I want to shut down. Pew. Pew, pew. Shun. Dead.
This is Team C. Do you copy? We are a go.
KTRC op Rio Gondel Spurs Nari.
What was that?
Need you ask, O idle-headed oaf? 'Twas a taiko drill.
There a festival?
Speak, harlot. Either you and Denji copulated yestereve, or you're lying.
Denji is quite the gentleman when he wants to be. No lie.
I'm amazed you can stomach this joint's ramen. The taste don't bug you.
Who's he?
This ramen's mighty tasty to me.
Don't converse with me so casually, mortal.
You can't tell good food from bad. I guess it sort of figures. If your diet consists of nothing but crap from an early age, then you're bound to have crap taste when you're grown. Bad taste makes it hard to find happiness, too.
I am perfectly happy.
Do you want to leave?
Granddad had exquisite taste and a heart of gold. He would take me to the best restaurants. So what if he was a Yakuza guy? He still had principles. Ever hear of necessary evil? Because that's what he was. He only killed a handful of women and children. And I know he liked kids well enough since he spoiled me rotten with the money he made from dealing. He was what you'd call a real Tokyoite. And everybody loved him. Denji, you loved him as well, didn't you?
Alright, the fuck do you want?
You know him?
But you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
Aki Hayakawa, you've put quite the abomination in my mouth this time. It's neither human nor devil.
Power. Go stop Himeno from bleeding out.
Sword Devil?
A spike?
No, Aki. Sabra. Oh. Als man kezdjem a Shinigami Eyes, secure sat hertz the predator sat hertz that fire is predator get out of your discussion transaction.
Gotta creep this shit off.
Curse! Finish it now! How's Himeno?
She requires a medical practitioner.
Damn it. That bastard had a gun. It'll only be possible for devil hunters and cops to obtain them in Japan.
But you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
First of all, We have to get Himeno to a
The
doctor.
curse double, huh? Stab someone with that oversized nail enough times and they die. Is that the gist of it? You've got some pretty impressive moves.
Where'd you come from? You in league with him?
Do you know why you lost?
I had my guard down, like all the way.
Better kill him this time, then. You know he's still alive, right? Those devil hunter suits are surprisingly durable. Don't underestimate him again.
Aki needs you. Leave me and save him.
Nay, I can't follow him. He moves too quickly.
Ghost, go. I will not. Awful girl. I don't like her.
I'll give you everything that I've got in exchange. So, give me everything you've got too. Aki is still capable of crying. People die so often in this field that most devil hunters don't have any tears left to shed. Not Aki, though. I remember thinking how odd he was, going off to bawl like a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after bit the dust. Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice. I remember thinking how odd he was, going off to bawl like a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after bit the dust. Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.
Little help here!
Best not die. Got that, Aki? Because when I finally go, you can cry for me.
Snake, swallow it. Return.
Wait, what the fuck now? Momentan kërështë episodit se shakadisht Attack on Titan me bon fillim Kryus Attack on Titan shakadisht me bon fillim Dhe më thonë është kjo Ku all the characters die Dhe më thonë Nëse këtu tash më këtina Nga kjo është gjall Dhe më thonë the powers of the gjall Danger një farmër të shumë Që është Po dhe më thonë Që kjo është një farmër të që kanë ndodhë Se si heri Dhe më thonë maki atë Dead Aki ose që shkoj tjetra e tjetri Njo kjo Aki këtu Po Aki e tjetri Dhe më thonë Shkoj Që është dishka që së më pëlqej është Aki Dhe më thonë e ka bo Një herë, dy herë, tri herë, katër herë a pes Ka përdur Shpotën që përbjen një ka bo jeta 7 herë Dhe më thonë E ka bo Tepër e shkurt jetë dhe më thonë se e ka bo 7 herë Ose nishtë 7 herë nështë se ka përdor Për dhe më thonë e ka bo E ka do jetë e përgjysh që vjen të ashtë që këtë bëna matematikën Një vjen shumë ka op jetë Edhe është diçka që Në lidhja ma edhe më thonë që është e ke puna e letrës Nëse e vtjellë ma shumë se 7 herë Ma nuk mund është në 8 herë në vtjellë Edhe që këtë më thonë se aje shka në ban jetën që të me që të shpatën 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Shumë herë nuk më mujtë me bo për arsye se jam kejt Edhe po Së që shkejt i me zë më thonë jam kejt komplet Kështu që po një epizod tepër se nashta s'kum kajt një farë mënyre Amo ka qenë tepër send Edhe shkura me episodin e nëmë nashta film Që kam qyt like, subscribe, share, comment Edhe sa ndryshme kështu që Ciao
Mm-hmm.